Hello everyone, my name is Marvin Rugane, Product Manager at KiliMax, and today we are going to understand what is KiliMax. So KiliMax is an AI-powered omni-channel solution that aids you in managing your business, creating online stores and e-commerce, and also managing your point of sale. We are going to have a quick overview of the capabilities within KiliMax so that you can be able to understand how you can manage and grow your business. So today we are going to see the business overview, ideally the overview within KiliMax. So we're going to go through the modules and understand what KiliMax is. So as you can see on my screen, we have our homepage whereby you have the AI insights. You have your graph that is going to show you your spending in regards to the date, and a column for the sales overview, the amount. You can turn off sales and say specifically for retail, and you can have sales on, and so on. You can also choose by time, maybe a week, or specifically today. You also have other graphs and information in regards to orders, in regards to your salesperson. You also have information on finance, receivables and payables, expiry alerts, top stores and top customers. We have our product module. This is where you create new products. You have settings such as specifications, categories, and brand, unit of measure, and opening stock. We have our retail module. This is where you download your POS and you're able to conduct transactions in regards to customer check-in and checkout. We have our stock module. Stock module is responsible for managing stock, stock summary, stock valuation, adjusting stock value, transfer of stock from one warehouse or one store to another, stock check, stock in and out, and the creation of warehouses. We have our sales module that is responsible for creating sales orders, quotations, and invoices, where you can create your pick list and also creation of your customers and their opening balance that you have with them in regards to finance. Also, we have a module for customer creation. We have separated it into store customers and wholesale customers. Store customers are connected to the retail module, while warehouse customers are connected to the sales module. We have purchases. This is procurement. How are you able to bring in goods if at all you're done or you've run out of goods? We have purchase order for buying goods from our vendors. We have received stock when the goods have arrived. We have purchase return in case of any issue with the stock. We have bills whereby you're able to pay your vendors. We have vendor credit, and whereby you're able to account or match transactions or offset transactions with your vendors and also restock. We also have vendor creation. This is where you create your vendors, such as the same as with customers, and also the opening balances. Under finance, we have receiving of money and paying of money. This is accounts receivable and accounts payable in regards to when you pay your vendors or when you receive money from your customers. We also have expenses such as custom duty, any other expense type that is incurred, maybe utilities, rent, and so on. We also have how and where you create your payment method options and your fund accounts. This could be banks, whereby now the money is received as a pay option. And also we have income types and expense types. This could be different types of expenses, as I mentioned earlier, such as duties, custom duties for goods being received from overseas and the likes. We also have an employees module, whereby you're able to create your employees. We also have a reports module whereby you're able to see all your reports, such as top product, top customers, top salesperson. You're also able to see your store overview, performance of your top stores, and finance, customer balances, vendor balances, the accounts receivable aging, accounts payable aging, account balances, income and expense details, and all the summaries in regards. You can also be able to check your system logs. This is important for you to understand what you've been able to do. We also have a settings module. This is where you're able to set user and roles, because not everybody in the company is able to do the same thing. A manager and a cashier usually do very different things. You're able to set up users and you're able to assign them different roles in regards to the department they work in. And you can choose, tick and untick the specific things you would like them to do or not to do. The system setting has specific settings in regards to the preferences, print templates of all the documents we have in the system. Currencies, this is where you can add multi-currency. Rule setting and number series, whereby you can check how the documents will be listed in regards to the number series. We also have integration with payment and finance platforms. Like for instance, any payment option within your country, we're able to do integration, and also finance platforms. And those are the features within KiliMax. I believe now you've been able to understand what KiliMax can do in helping your business. Feel free to book a demo with us so that we're able to show you how you can understand the functionalities within KiliMax for specifically your own business, how you can grow your e-commerce platform, get more customers, more traffic to your stores, and lastly, how you can manage your point of sale. Book a demo on our official website, kilimax.com. Thank you.